Hi, I'm Alan Nelson with RGB Spectrum here at InfoComm, and this is RGB Spectrum's Flyaway kit. It's a multi-use device that we can use, pull it out of the back of a Suburban, and display quad view or up to 8 different outputs. There's a CPU in it as well as a Dejero unit, so we can bring our own internet to the event. And so use case scenario would be sharing video from our video wall processing system at a full build out facility, set this up on the go to a real life incident where command and control can take over and information can be shared back and forth. RGB Spectrum.